In this video, I'm going to explain to you one of the important feature in the Windows computer. I'm using a Windows 10, but if you have other versions of Windows, this is pretty much same on the other versions too. If you want to manage your storage, say for example, when you do the fresh install of the operating system, you get a chance to partition your hard drive. But if you haven't done all the partitioning, you may not see the full capacity of your hard drive. For example, in this computer, I have this one. This is my backup drive. This is a 1 TB drive, but I am only seeing 540 GB. So how can I use the rest of the storage? Because I'm not seeing that here. To do that, what you need to do is go to the computer management. I'm going to show you how to get to there. Go to search and type in computer, and the computer management come up here. So now you have the tool that is provided by Windows to do the partition management. You can use the external tool like a partition manager. That's an external third-party software, but Windows itself has that feature inside the operating system. This can do a lot of other computer management things. I'm going to cover the rest later, but I'm going to go directly into the storage management. Here is my disk management, and you can see I have two physical hard drives. This is my primary hard drive where I have installed the operating system. This is my backup drive. You can see here 390 GB is unallocated now. If a storage is unallocated, you are not going to see under my computer. You need to first allocate that to be available to be used as your storage space. Right click on the partition, go to new simple volume. Welcome to the new simple volume. This wizard helps you create a simple volume on a disk. I'm going to click next. You can partition this into two or whatever you want. For example, if I want to partition into two, so I will put 19. It assigns F as the next drive. Next, I'm going to use the default NTFS file system, default allocation unit, and I'm going to name this backup 2. Perform a quick format is enabled. So I'm going to click that. It is going to automatically format the drive. So now you see it has formatted the drive backup 2, and you have another unallocated, the last partition. I'm going to right click next. I'm going to leave that as it is. The next partition number is G, and I'm going to say backup 3, quick format enabled, finish formatting. Now it is a healthy partition. Now I'm going to go to my computer, this PC, and now you can see backup 2 and backup 3 available for a storage. So I'm going to select a file, and I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to store it here also. So you have multiple backups. So if you have a large volume like this, you can partition them and store the data in those partitions. So this is how you can simply manage your storage space via Windows tool called computer management. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification.